Are you look comfortable and stylish chair that can be easily flicked on the market and latest model? Check out our top 5 best flick chairs. These chairs are perfect for any home or office and are sure to provide you with hours of comfort and relaxation. So let's get started with the list.
List number: GNTEX 5-position adjustable convertible flip chair. The GNTEX 5-position adjustable convertible flip chair is suitable for different people in different positions. It has non-slip feet on the bottom part, which could make this item more stable and safe. The material of the feet is durable, which protects the soft fabric parts. The design of this sofa is ergonomics, which every position follow the scientific principle, saving users back.
And any other body part. You will definitely experience maximum comfort while using this foldable chair. Many users use this GNTEX fold chair for their office, and they can see that is convenient and easy to carry. The material of the feet is durable and protective, which could protect the soft part of the furniture. It follows the scientific principle, so it could let you enjoy your time in best way. List number: Urban Shop Ultra Suede Convertible Flip Chair. The Urban Shop Ultra Suede Convertible Flip Chair is a modern, chic, and easily configurable piece of furniture. This chair can easily transition between multiple styles and can be used as a bed or lounge chair, either in its original seated position or converted into a reclining position. It features full suede that is soft to the touch and has been brushed for added luxury. The classic style boasts 3 locking positions for convenience and ease of use. This elegant piece feels effortless, yet sophisticated. Its style will complement any decor setting. The chair is the ultimate in versatility. From day to night, it's easily transformed into a bed and back again. The Urush design features 3 locking positions, making it easy to switch between lounging around and sleeping. Unlike a standard recliner, where people must first use tools or power cords to move from one position to another. No assembly required. Simply flip the chair open with a click-clack locking mechanism, no tools required. List number: Delta Children's Certa-Cozy Flip-Out Memory Foam Chair. The Delta Children's Certa-Cozy Flip-Out Memory Foam Chair is the ultimate in comfort and convenience, featuring a convenient flip-out mechanism that makes it easy to convert the chair into a cozy, supportive lounger and sleeper. Recommended for children 18 months plus, this durable, lightweight chair is made of high-quality materials, meets or exceeds government and ASTM safety standards, and provides all-day comfort. The supportive memory foam will keep its shape and provide comfort all day long. The slipcover features a side pocket for books and/or a tablet, and the convenient zipper allows kids to open it without getting up from their seat. Great for staying in place all night long. The lightweight chair is portable enough for bedrooms, playrooms, computers rooms, gaming suites, or for sitting on anytime someone needs a little extra comfort. List more: Mission Hill's Furniture Flip-Back Accent Chair. This flip-back accent chair is designed with great detail and a luxurious look. The padded ultra suede seat glides protect your flooring, and the understated storage space in the flip-back ottoman provides plenty of room for extra blankets, magazines, or books. Add a touch of rustic charm to any room with this show-stopping chair. Transform your living space with this one-of-a-kind flip-back accent chair. Keep your spare blankets, stack of magazines, or books out of sight while offering a spot to sit or kick up your feet. The semicircular, curved-back chair with armrests makes for a cozy embrace and extra comfort. This show-stopping piece adds elegance and style to any room and can be used as a vanity chair, dressing chair, club chair, or to sit and read a magazine by the fireplace in your home. The seat flips back up for additional storage space. List number: Loungie Micro-Suede 5-position adjustable convertible flip chair. The modern, stylish 5-position adjustable floor chair of bright color makes this furniture not only a flip chair or bed couch, but also decoration for any room. The steel frame is durable and sturdy, and it will serve you for a long time. ultra-soft micro-suede material brings comfort and relaxation. Chair easily converts into a bed. The headrest can be adjusted vertically and horizontally in 5 different positions. The flip-back design provides an adorable design for your living room or bedroom, ideal for any home decor. This versatile flip chair is made of a micro-suede material for added comfort. It's not only multifunctional, but also trendy. This rich shade chair will add ambiance to any room. The ultra-soft micro-suede material brings comfort and relaxation, while the design of this modern chair will make you want to use it in many rooms of your house.